Okay, so today we're gonna make cereal butter chicken. So the ingredients that we need would be 1 kilogram of sliced chicken, marinated with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So you can marinate it minimum of 45 minutes or overnight. And here are some cornstarch for us to dip the sliced chicken into for deep frying purposes. And here would be 3 sprigs of curry leaves, and this is a mixture of 2 cups of cereals, 1 cup of milk powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here are some red chilies finely chopped. Here I use some large chilies, and I use about 3 stalks of them, and they are finely chopped to ensure that it coats all of the chicken later on. Right, so now we have here some oil heated up to fry the chicken pieces. So we just have to put them in one by one. These chicken pieces would be fried for about 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure that they are not too dry, because later on you want them to have that juicy texture to your cereal butter chicken. So this one will fry them for 2 minutes, then later on we'll drain them on a colander before we stir fry them together with the cereal butter mixture. Okay, so here is our fried chicken that we have fried earlier. So this is only half the amount of the chicken that we have marinated, which is 500 grams only. And here are the Nestum cereal that we will be using to coat the chicken later on. Right, now to make the cereal butter gravy or the mixture, we will need to heat up 50 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to stir fry the chili and curry leaves. So the chilies we will be using about 2 heaped tablespoons of chopped chilies, as well as a handful of curry leaves. So as you are stirring the curry leaves, it might splatter a bit, but do not worry, it is a normal process. So this we have to stir fry until the curry leaves are crispy. So once the curry leaves has turned crispy, so we can just insert the cereal powder together with the milk powder and the sugar mixture. So give it a good stir to ensure that all the curry leaves are properly fried in the butter oil. So now here's our cereal mixture. So we just pour them in, give it a good stir, and be careful not to burn them because it has sugar in it. So we just have to make sure that they turn a bit yellowish before we insert the chicken to stir fry with them. So now it has turned yellow. So now we can insert the sliced chicken that we have fried earlier. Right, so here is our fried chicken earlier. Right, so now we just have to give them a good stir. Turn the stove off because we do not want to burn the cereals. So just give it a good stir to make sure that they are mixed up all together. Okay, so this is our cereal butter chicken, so you can enjoy them with hot rice.